reposition the lock screen clock on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap Wallpaper and Start. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Tap the clock. Next, drag and drop the clock to a new spot on the screen. A vertical line will appear when the clock is centered horizontally. Once you are happy with the position, tap Done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, the lock screen clock is now displayed in the new position. Given to the function, moving the lock screen clock lets you place it where it looks and feels best for you, whether you like it at the top, in the center, or lower down. This setting gives you a simple way to match your style and make your lock screen more personal. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.